Well, I got some kind of bad news for the customer. On this clock, their parts have been placed on back order, so their clock is going to be here for a while. They said they didn't care as long as it gets fixed. They're not in any hurry to get it back. But I thought I would uh, go ahead and replace the problematic movement in here with one that I have a temporary one right here that you can actually, it doesn't have a chime or anything. It's but it's got a pendulum thing, and I'm just kind of tired of this sitting on the wall without the pendulum working. So I was going to do that, but then I made a discovery. Let me move this out of the way. When I put a battery in this temporary pendulum, or a pendulum, sorry, this temporary movement, I realized that it didn't seem like it was working. Like I couldn't hear any ticking. The pendulum part was, was working, but it just seemed like, I don't know, it was not ticking. So trying to rotate this thing, and I realized it's not. Oh, actually, no, it's just chipping gears. That shouldn't even be. That shouldn't be that hard to rotate. Let me see if I got something that can rotate these. Hand, yeah, something's not right. So I figured I was going to open this, and I mean, if it gets ruined any worse, then it's not like I paid for it. Well, I did, but not too much for it. Let me see now. I think this is how you open it. I don't see any other. Oh, there's a clip right there. Hold on. Yeah. So I'm hoping this, I can at least get in there and see what the problem is. I need to take the pendulum off first. Oh, there we go. Okay, I didn't lose the piece, but I hope I didn't break it. Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay, now I can take all that off. Darn it. Why are you not wanting to come off? There it goes. There we go. Okay. Now, what is your problem? Here we go with the texting again. Well, this time it didn't mess up the phone. Never fails. I'm going to start putting my phone on Do Not Disturb. And that's going to suck for me because I have to make sure I put it out of Do Not Disturb mode. And more than likely I'll forget. And then that means I miss out on important... Yeah. Okay, so what's going on here? I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in. Where'd it go? Okay. If it'll go in. There it goes. Yep, nothing. Huh. Could be a bad... no? Huh. Okay, so that would be a wheel. There's some wheels under this part, which I'm not going to take apart, but I am going to take that off. That should be, well, maybe not. Okay. Where does the power start? Oh, come on. Get on there. Maybe that's the set, where it sets it. Okay. So, you guys are having a hard time seeing, and that's not helping anymore. So something is stuck or not getting power. Okay, so those gears are free. Like I said, there's nothing that turns this one, so that's just a transfer wheel for the thumb, the setting thumb thing. Let me see if see if my multimeter can tell me something, shed some light on the subject. You're not gonna sit still, are you? Oh. 1.5 volts. Okay, so that's getting power. It's not the capacitors. Okay, so there's power going through that board. Oh, okay. But I don't... Uh-oh. Okay, there it goes. Thought I broke it. Now, this coil... you can't really do much with that. The capacitors look good. Can't be that old. Just wondering, some dust got in there. Why it's not, nothing is spinning. So that's the, I want to guess that is where the fork is. Not the fork, the quartz. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, okay, alright. So there should be some power of some kind turning this. Aha! That's a magnetic powered... that's magnetically powered? That is weird. So I figured that's what starts the whole process. That should be spinning, but it's not. And then there's this clear wheel that transfers the power between this wheel and that wheel at the correct ratio, while also providing a spot for the thumb wheel to turn. And this would be the seconds wheel, which turns this intermediate wheel, and all the motion works is under here where all the other wheels are. So it's pretty simple setup. So the power starts here and it ends somewhere over here. Or the train, not the power. I mean, it is power, but the train ends somewhere over here. This should be spinning. So that could mean... yeah, I wonder if it just needs to be cleaned or if it's not getting any power. Oh, okay, I see it now. Aha. Okay. If I could put that in there without messing it up. Okay. There's the magnets, but I don't think they're going to get any power. Yeah, I didn't think so. Unless I did it backwards. No. Okay, so... I kind of see how this works now. I wonder if this is all just burned out. As this is supposed to generate the magnetic field. And the power goes through here, generates a magnetic field. And I don't know if it's oscillating or what. Oscillating the polarity or what, but that's kind of like a miniature little brushless motor. That's what I'm assuming. Poking at these capacitors and stuff just to see maybe something was... I don't see any corrosion. They look like they're still soldered on great. The battery terminals are connected well, so it's getting power. Should be anyway. I wonder if it's getting any continuity between those two. Let's check that. Continuity between... Better take the battery out first. Messed that up, didn't we? Okay. Let's see if there's any continuity between positive and negative. Yeah. There's continuity. Let's see, that's beeping. This isn't. Well, there are resistors through there, so maybe that's why. Okay, well, I'll put the battery in just one more time to see what happens. And then I'm just going to have to, I guess, not use this. Unless I fix it off camera, but I'd rather not do that. So I don't understand if that's where the... Okay. That's a magnet under here. And this is generating a magnetic field, or it's supposed to, that advances it. Now I wonder, I'm gonna try with the battery, see what happens. It's oscillating. Something. That was weird. Might just, I don't know. I mean, it's a cheap movement anyway, but I've kept you long enough, so I'll go ahead and end this video, and you know, just thought I'd do a short, quick video, see, or update you all on what's going on with this clock. And I know the person is probably going to be watching this, the original owner, and they'll understand. So that's all I have for you right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.